Coming up, we check out some classic big body Benzes and BMWs, plus we tackle some wiring issues for Project Sky. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alex Ray, and we're here, the dynamic duo, Shaq and Kobe. We got Mr. Usic Choi, and we got a really exciting video for you guys today. We're gonna be doing 3 special things today. Usic, share with everyone what we're doing.
So the first thing we're gonna be doing is relocating this switch.
Okay.
Because it used to live here on this panel that Alex at Spage Sport built.
Yeah, super nice.
And then we're relocating this switch, which used to live on the center console there.
Okay.
And then the last thing we're gonna do is all the things that we were moving, a lot of those buttons are gonna end up here on that panel.
Yeah, that'll be super functional and clean. Okay. Why do you always have Mercedes outside of your shop and working? This is a BMW shop, okay?
But they're special Mercedes.
What's special? What's so special about this?
That's a 500e.
500e?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know why they always put random numbers and letters together, but what's so special about this?
This is the one that has the cool story about neighbors helping each other.
Neighbors helping?
Yeah, in Stuttgart, where Porsche is, across the street is Mercedes, right?
Okay.
And in the early 90s, Porsche wasn't doing so well. So they had like a whole factory that was just kind of sitting idle.
Okay.
And Mercedes wanted to put a V8 in this sedan.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is actually pretty baller.
It's massively baller. So the
wood trim. Man, get your butt out of the way. Sorry. All right, there we go. Thanks, Usic. Oh, wow.
Look at the seats.
Holy smokes, these
Recaro.
are really nice.
Yeah.
Like super comfy. Wow.
So
How many kilometers are on this car? Usic? It looks like really good.
It's got a lot. I think this has got like 200,000 on it, actually.
Oh yeah, right
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Yeah, 258.
Yeah,
wow,
I had to do a
okay.
lot of like vacuum lines and rubber hoses and all that stuff on this motor. But the convertible that they had at the time, the SL500,
Yeah.
that's the motor they put in here.
Okay.
And in order to put it in here, they had to give it like wider frame rails, firewall modifications, these cool fender flares front and rear.
Yeah,
So that was
wow.
all done by Porsche.
Okay.
So the bodies got sent to from Mercedes to Porsche, and then
Oh, wow.
Porsche shoehorned that in there.
Holy smokes.
Yeah.
This is spectacular.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. And we
So
just
this
did a
is
bunch of
naturally
work.
aspirated, right?
Naturally aspirated, 5-liter V8.
5-liter V8.
Yeah, it's like-
Holy.
I think it's 340 horse and change back in '91.
Wow.
Yeah.
Incredible.
Yeah, and it's like super smooth.
So what are you doing to this customer's car?
Well, we changed every single connector between this upper intake and then the actual intake manifold.
Yeah.
The lower intake manifold, because it had vacuum leaks. Had vacuum leaks here and there, so some hoses got replaced, and just making it run nice.
Yeah.
So it makes all of its horsepower.
Wow, this is
Yeah.
spectacular. Now, what would these usually go for nowadays? I've never seen one of these.
Like this, in this condition, they're like, maybe
Like
if
70?
they're, yeah, like if they have high kilometers and if they have the original wiring harness, because they had a wiring harness that degrades, like it's recyclable, and then so they had all sorts of issues with those. But anyways, as long as all that stuff's been done, like the low end, they're like 25.
Oh, 25,000.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, and then the high end, you're like looking at like 65, and then
yeah,
anything
wow.
on Bring a Trailer is more than that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love these like super monoblock styled wheels,
Yeah.
like super you know, beefy face, and like the headlights are massive. Like they just made cars so much different back then compared to now. Like, I don't know, I'm a sucker for these old style cars.
Totally bank vault sounds, right? Like when you close these doors, like.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Yeah. You don't make them like that anymore.
Yeah, no kidding. And so other cars that we have on the go over here, so you got the Z4.
Yeah, it's supercharged, it's an M Coupe.
Okay.
It had stage 1 before, no intercooler, and then we put the stage 2 kit in it just the other day.
Oh yeah, I see that right there.
Yeah, we're just waiting for the tune to come from ESS.
Okay.
And then we can load it up and then put it back together.
And then I see my car.
Yeah.
Sky.
Sky.
She's looking empty, man.
Yeah, we took some stuff off of it.
Okay, wow. Yeah, it's a whole half of a car.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
The rodeo, go to Soho, kicking the shit, just like a dojo. Little shorty shit is one of the photo. Gucci my socks, on the web polo. When I pull up, man, it feel like a car show. Might have a Benz or a Monte Carlo. When I cock clothes, I don't look at the barcode. That's on my passport, I've been around the globe. That's in my pockets can't hold. Like little baby, 4 pockets be full. Diamonds, they trippy, they wet like a pool. With the roof, man, they young nigga fool. Like home improvement, I play with that tool. Sister lunch table, a nigga been cool. Green and white fours when I came back to school. She popping that pussy, she sipping that news. I get the racks. Just a good bitch, you not getting the bag. I get the sack. I get the racks, you not getting the bag. I get the racks. Just a good bitch, you not getting the bag. I get the sack. I get the racks, you not getting the bag. I get the racks.
So we're wrapping this video up. We made a lot of great progress today. Usic pretty much has the full dash ready to be taken out, so we'll film that in another video. We also have the rear fog light prepped for the center of the dash as well. It's gonna look great. I'm so happy that we have Usic and Sierra behind the camera filming and putting this all together, and stay tuned for the next video because you're not gonna wanna miss it. And like and subscribe, they gotta keep doing that. This is a sick view right now.
You're like holding my hand.